Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafid MD Azrof Hossain, and I'm from software faculty. And this is my research title is Analysis Hate Speech Detection Algorithm Using Machine Learning. My supervisor is Dr. NUR ELIYAH. So, uh, my research is about support vector machine and naive Bayes. These are the two machine learning methods used in this article to analyze hate speech. Effective identification of hate speech is essential in the expanding world of online communication because it negatively impacts social connections, mental health, and communal well-being. Because hate speech is so common on digital platform, trustworthy detection methods are essential. Automating the detection and classification of objectionable language is made possible by machine learning, more especially using SVM and naive. This paper compares the efficiency of SVM and naive in identifying hate speech in online text data, examining the benefits, drawbacks, and relative performance of each algorithm. The ultimate objective is to improve methods for detecting hate speech in order to create a safe online community. So, problem background. There is a growing problem with offensive and violent posts on Twitter, which calls for action. The accuracy with which hate speech may be identified by machine learning techniques such as random forest decision trees, KNN, and naive-Bayes varies. A comparison is required to ascertain which approach is most successful. So recognizing hate speech online is essential for the welfare of the community. The procedure is automated using machine learning technique like support vector machine and naive-Bayes. Although they have limitations, unbalanced datasets cause SVM to struggle, which affects recall and precision because hate speech is complicated. Naive-Bayes presupposes feature independence, which may not be appropriate. Both find it difficult to deal with how online communication is dynamic and how hate speech can be convert or subject. A resilient hate speech detection system in online chats require addressing these issues. Now, research aim. So our research aim is to evaluate the efficacy of two well-known machine learning algorithms. Support vector machine SVM and naive-Bayes in the identification of hate speech in text. So our research question is, in terms of identifying hate speech in textual data, how well do support vector machine and naive-Bayes algorithm perform, and what are the comparative strengths and weaknesses? Our research objective is to study the significance of various features and linguistic patterns to design or apply its need to do pre-processing of dataset and train the models, and use Python, Java for detection and for getting better accuracy compared both algorithms. To evaluate and compare both algorithms, accuracy and precision using standard hate speech dataset on social platform like Twitter. So next is our research scope. So the study explores how this algorithm recognize particular language cues, offering important new information on hate speech detection method. The goal is to develop a system that is accurate, scalable, and efficient, and to seamlessly integrate it into user-friendly interfaces by gathering a variety dataset. This study provides a comparative analysis of the effectiveness of the SVM and naive-Bayes algorithm in hate speech detection by evaluating their accuracy and precision using a standardized hate speech dataset, and will provide which one gives the best accuracy for detection. So now we will talk about some literature review. So there are various kinds of papers, research papers for hate speech detection using different types of language like random data forest, CNN, BERT, SVM, naive-Bayes, decision tree, etc. So sometimes random forest shows the best accuracy for some research paper, and sometimes I saw SVM and naive-Bayes shows better accuracy. So in literature review, I reviewed almost 30 papers, and from these I saw many papers have naive-Bayes and SVM. Some SVM and naive-Bayes. Between SVM and naive-Bayes, there are possibility for high accuracy. So the purpose of this review of the literature is to compile and assess the approaches used in different studies on machine learning algorithms for the identification of hate speech. It aims to examine the benefits, drawbacks, and effectiveness of various computational techniques used to detect and reduce hate speech online. So now we will show the research methodology. So for research methodology, first we have to collect the data, need a proper data set, as I chose a data set from Kaggle, then need to pre-process the data. So apply data cleaning, remove all null values and merge duplicate data. Then need to classify. So we classify the dataset into two different sets. 80% will be the trained data and 20% will be the test data. Then we have to analyze the result, apply measurement techniques like accuracy and precision, and then compare them with both algorithms. So justification, here we justify why we choose the SVM and naive-Bayes algorithm. So the selection of naive-Bayes is based on its ease of use, efficacy, and efficiency in text classification tasks. When it comes to hate speech detection, naive-Bayes offers a computationally lightweight solution because it can process large amount of textual data quickly. And on the other hand, SVM is a popular choice for hate speech detection because of its strong high-dimensional data classification performance. So lastly, we can show the performance measurement. There are two important metrics we are working on. One is accuracy and one is precision. Accuracy, the accuracy of the hate speech detection in a system is determined by dividing the total number of instances by the proportion of correctly identified instance, true positive and true negatives. Precision measures the percentage of correctly identified positive instance, true positives, relative to all instant predicted as positives. So research design and implementation. The research design that was developed in the earlier chapters is put into the practice. It focuses on the actual application on the comparative study between support SVM and naive-Bayes. So experiment design. The process starts with data that has been collected the hate speech dataset on the Kaggle. First, we need to choose data from the Kaggle. Then we have to do the pre-processing the data, which has the null values, and we have to remove the null values and select relevant columns. And then we need to shuffle the data set in. Then we have to divide or split it in two portions. 80% will be the training data and 20% will be the test data. Then we'll save the file name .csv file. So in conclusion, we can say for every algorithm, metrics and performance evaluation are computed, including accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, and we'll focus on accuracy and precision only. This makes it easier to conduct through comparison analysis and pinpoint the advantage and disadvantage of SVM and naive-Bayes for hate speech detection. So both SVM and naive-Bayes shows the better accuracy, and we'll compare them and implement them in our PSM2. And we can see in order to determine which of this algorithm better to identify hate speech, the chapter will truly compare them. It will also provide well-organized conclusion and suggest future study areas. So I think that's it. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.